Hello everyone. Today we create a amazing game with the help of Python. The name is Snake Water Gun. So this is very simple game. I think everyone also play this game. So let's start our program. Make our program. In our program, firstly we require one module. Name is random module. So basically random module generating random numbers, and now we make a user variable. In the user variable we store the value which is entered by the user has been choosing is stored in the user variable. In our game we have three objects: snake, water, gun, and which is choose by the user at one one of from one from all three objects. So 0 for snake, 1 for water, and 2 for gun. And in second variable computer, random with the help of random module we generate a random numbers. In rand int function we we set the range 0 to 2. Between the range any number can be selected by the computer. Now print the value, user value, using f string. And now print the computer value. This game play between the user and computer means two. This is two-player game. Computer. Now in score variable we store the value which is written by the check function. In check function we give two parameters, user and computer. Check user, computer. So in our function we make a function using def keyword. So that if user and computer choose same value means snake snake, then match is draw. So in this case we return 0, and for loss when user match loss then we return -1, and in case when user win we return 1. So firstly we take all the cases in which user has been defeated. When snake, that snake is defeated by water is defeated by snake, so return -1. and gun is defeated by water. Written -1, and one case also is left. The last case is snake is defeated by gun when computer is equal to 2 and user choose 0, means then return -1 and remain all the cases user wins, so return 1. So if score is equal to 0, you print match is true. Match true. And if score is equal to -1, you lose. And if score is equal to 1, print you win. So it's very simple program and very interesting game has been created. So now play this game. I choose gun. You see, you win. So remove these commas. Now again play. Firstly I win, and now again I choose voter match draw. So thank you guys.